First and foremost, if you don't follow Dr. Mayer with Dr. Green Mom, you should be following her. She is an informed consent, vaccine-neutral physician. She's very fair in her assessments of risk and benefit. Second of all, you need to listen to this. This is why we don't trust everything we're told.
So, here in the United States, if you choose to vaccinate for rotavirus, you have two options, RotaTeq and RotaRix. In 2010, it was found that both of these vaccines are contaminated with porcine circoviruses, pig virus, type 1 in RotaRix and type 1 and type 2 in RotaTeq. Now, they did further research to see if this contamination is allowed to stay in these vaccines. And the conclusion they came to, even after finding PCV1 DNA in the stool of children recently vaccinated, the researchers concluded this, and I'm going to read it verbatim. After thorough assessment and evaluation by health authorities, it has been concluded that there is no evidence that the presence of a small amount of porcine circovirus 1 poses a safety risk to vaccinated children. Although we will say the presence of PCV1 has been recognized as a manufacturing quality issue. So now, 15 years later, we are still manufacturing both RotaTeq and RotaRix with these contaminated porcine viruses. In 2020, Merck, who owns RotaTeq, asked the FDA, may we remove this evidence from the vaccine package inserts? May we remove the fact that there's contamination of both PCV1 and PCV2 in our vaccine? And the FDA responded with a letter saying, yes, you may remove this information from your package insert. This goes against our legality as physicians, educators, to you, of true informed consent.
And they do have an update. As of April 30th, 2026, GlaxoSmithKline, who makes RotaRix, the one available in Europe that doesn't have PCV in it, actually made one available in the United States. But you have to ask for the right one. Most RotaRix vaccines come in a powder formulation that the doctor or the provider has to reconstitute and put in the mouth. This one comes already in a liquid form. So if you want to give your child the RotaRix vaccine and you don't want the one with the PCV virus in it, you have to ask for the specific RotaRix. It's already liquid form. But this is why parents and providers are starting to ask more questions, because this means that the rotavirus vaccines had PCV1 and or 2 in their vaccines, but they're not listed on the package insert. How many other things are in these vaccines that aren't listed in the package insert? That's not informed consent. That's why we have trust issues.